Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Gecko Customz Pictus, and this knife is on loan to me from FredTheLug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife, do a disassembly and cleaning of it, review the knife, and just get to check the knife out, because a lot of times the knives that I get in from Fred and from other folks, I probably wouldn't have a chance to check out unless they allowed me to do so. So really appreciate that. I will say that the body screws and the pivot screw on this are both T8s. Makes it really easy to do the disassembly. And we've got bearings there. I'm going to drop those into the oil. So, full disclosure here, I actually did this knife and another knife on a live the other night. So these knives are not, this knife is not by any stretch of the imagination dirty, but I wanted to, since I had it in my possession for a few moments, wanted to go ahead and do the proper disassembly and cleaning, because folks seem to enjoy those, and I enjoy doing them. So all I'm doing now is just wiping down all the surfaces here, and then I'm going to get a cotton tip applicator, dip that into the alcohol, and just make sure I've got nothing in these areas where I'll be putting the pivot. Make sure we're clean there. And again, you can see the pivot, well, if it'll, you can see in the inside this where this, it's got the flat area there. That will match up to the right here in front of my face. It'll match up there to that cutout on the pivot barrel there, or pivot screw. All right, let's wipe this down, and let's go ahead and pull those bearings out. I like to just dry those off, or wipe them off. It's not really dry until they've set out for just a minute. Let that alcohol evaporate off. I'll also grab that pivot and just back out, holding those threads just to clean the threads out. Again, not a whole lot to do there, since I had pretty much done everything the other day. Alright, we're going to go ahead and slide this in, and we'll index this. We'll index it to where, alright, come on, where that goes down flush. And for some reason it doesn't seem to want to focus. Okay, so it's flush there. So we're going to lay that down on the mat there. We're going to place that open side of the bearing there into the cutout area for the bearing. I'm going to take my gunny glide, put a little dab there, a little dab there, not much, don't need a whole lot. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and drop a dab there on the pivot, on the detent ball. Alright, so go ahead and place the blade on, place the bearing on, and again, I'm going to place the bearing on the blade such that when I put this lock side scale on, that this open area is going to be down into the to the cutout area for that bearing. Alright, another, again, couple little dabs, and it doesn't take a whole lot, so don't overdo it. Alright, and so putting this back together, I'm actually going to drop the body screws in and place them on the place the backspacer on there, so that when I put this together as such, everything should drop in nicely. So I'm actually going to grab this pivot screw, put a little bit of, I'm not getting any there, put a little bit of Loctite on it, and then we'll just get this started to hold everything in place. And so when we pick it up, that other side of the pivot won't come out and cause issues, because if it does that, we may have to take everything back apart to get that pivot indexed so that it fits down in there correctly. Alright, looking good there. Go back off just a little bit. I don't want it too tight, but I don't want it any blade play either. However, that looks and feels good, so I'm going to leave it right there. Centering is good. Action is awesome. This is one of my favorite knives of the year so far, production wise, and I think they did a really good job on this particular knife. But I've got a review, and you can go watch that if you like. That being said, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, check out my lives on Tuesday night at 9:30 Eastern. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.